just made it to Estes.
You wanna live here, Aiden?
I do. Oh, but then live here for my birthday.
Just that day, and then go back to
Got Jonathan.
No, I want to be
Adrian, say hi to the vlog.
Hi! 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 Hi!
still in the camera.
Mother over there.
He's a stealer. Okay, he's my cousin.
Here's the student. So here we are at the visitor center. We are looking at a map of the whole Rocky Mountain Park. We also came in to watch a movie about all the facts of the Rocky Mountain and the different animals you could find and different climates that you could find here in this big national park. So we just made our tent. Check it out. Let's go visit our neighbors. Let's see if you guys put attention. Huh?
Yeah, aquí tu hombre, tu macho. Ah,
Macho menos.
tengo pinches pelos de alambre.
Mira, I have caught a wild animal out. Look what I found. Wow, it's pretty.
Hey, I can see the first time mountain.
Hey, we're in the clouds. You guys close together. We're in the clouds.
Picture. Adrian.
Look at Bobby. Twerking in every part of Colorado. It's much warmer down here.
It feels like Twilight. Hazle como si le fueras a dar de comer y alza las patitas. And it's so weird because it's like warm. Rápido, rápido.
Oh, that's one.
No hay mucho chiquitito.
Walking through the forest. We're on a morning hike to a lake. Day 2 of our camping trip. Adri, say hi.
Hello.
day. Day 2 of camping last night was alright. It was raining the whole afternoon and we got soaked, but we were able to turn on the fire, have some s'mores. Right now we're on our way to hold up one bit. What? We're on our way right now to go find the lake. No, it's a big lake. So right now we're on our way. Oh, you can't see me at all. Let me see. Too dark. There we go. So right now we're on our way to a lake. It's kind of like a beach.
Why are we not going
A little
swimming?
bit. And it's like a 10-20 minute hike up there, but with kids, it's a pain in the ass.
I can't go any further with my ankle.
These kids have been crying this whole 20 minutes, so. Let's see. Come on guys, hurry. Mother. Woo. Y'all hear that? The waterfall. And we made it to the lake. Wow.
This is the world famous burger place.
Yes, it is. It is, Dami. You want to do an intro to my vlog? You want to tell us where we're going to eat? We're at the Dark Horse. Ooh, this is cool.
Just sit yourself, please. Oh, this is fucking dope. Dude,
Oh, that's good.
Adrian!
This is the hombres.
oh.
Oh.
Jamie Williams had the guys.
Which one are you gonna Which one would you choose?
Go!
The guy's playing.
Horse! Oh, okay, then. Go! Rick, fly!
That's trippy. I was like, what the fuck? So this is another one. Hurry up! Keeping it up. Look at her. This is dope. My vlog, I was
Una. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, third shot in. We're feeling good. Check out the bars. Ah, my battery turned off.